Thinking of using Greenlight to manage your finances? Before you hit that download button, there are 12 essential things you need to know about this iPhone app, especially when compared to other financial tools on the market. Stick around, and we'll break it all down for you. First off, Greenlight stands out as a family-friendly app that focuses on helping parents teach their kids financial responsibility. But is it right for you? Let's dive into the details. Next thing, Greenlight offers a robust savings account for your kids with a solid 1% interest rate. This is higher than what many traditional banks or apps offer, so it's an attractive feature for growing savings. But remember, not every app gives you the same advantage when it comes to interest. The third thing to keep in mind is Greenlight's customizable debit cards for kids. Parents can set limits and monitor spending in real time. Unlike some competitors, this level of control makes it easy to teach kids financial discipline. However, apps like Current also offer similar features, so be sure to weigh your options. Next thing, Greenlight supports both spending and saving. You can set up different categories for your child's money, such as savings, charity, and spending. It's an easy way to teach kids how to budget early on, but if you're just looking for a simple account for yourself, you might want to look elsewhere, as this feature is geared toward families. The fifth thing is about fees. Greenlight charges a monthly subscription starting at $4.99. While this may seem like a reasonable price for the features offered, it's important to note that some alternatives, like GoHenry, charge similar fees, but others, such as Current, offer a free basic plan. Now moving on to another point. Greenlight integrates parental controls like real-time alerts and spending limits. This can give you peace of mind, but there are similar apps, such as FamZoo, which might offer even more flexibility for your family's needs. The seventh thing to consider is Greenlight's investment option. With Greenlight Max, kids can also invest in stocks, ETFs, and more with guidance from their parents. It's a solid feature, but you may want to think about whether your child is ready to start investing, as some other apps, like Stockpile, also cater to this need. The eighth thing is about the mobile app's user experience. It's intuitive, clean, and easy to navigate. However, for those looking for the most polished and seamless experience, some users feel that apps like GoHenry might have a slight edge when it comes to design. Next thing, Greenlight offers free access to financial literacy resources. The app has built-in lessons to help your kids understand basic financial concepts, which sets it apart from some other apps in the same category. However, the learning materials are still limited compared to fully dedicated platforms. The 10th thing to know is the option for setting up direct deposit. This is a handy feature if you're looking to have your paycheck or allowance go directly into your Greenlight account. It works seamlessly, but it's a feature that's also common with other finance apps like Current. The 11th thing is customer support. Greenlight offers email and chat support, and most users report positive experiences. However, be aware that support might not be as fast or personalized compared to other options, like FamZoo, which provides more direct communication methods. The final thing to remember is security. Greenlight uses encryption and security features to keep your child's money safe, but it's always good to remember that no app is 100% foolproof. Be sure to regularly monitor your account, just as you would with any other financial app. Greenlight is an excellent choice for families looking to teach kids financial responsibility, but it may not be the best fit for everyone. If you're looking for an alternative with even more options or a free solution, check out our recommended tool, which you can try for free.